front foot elevated split squat. So we're gonna start with the setup. When you get your feet, I would start with your feet on the box actually, like right up against each other. Whole foot stays on the box, the other foot's going straight back. So literally when I kick my leg back, I'm thinking this is flying straight back. It's not going way out here. It's not coming across my body, okay? Starting with the feet together will help ensure that the likelihood of either it going too far out or going too far in doesn't happen. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna set up. I got vertical shin on this front position here. I got a straight line, relatively straight line going from my hip pocket to my ear. I'm gonna go ahead, majority of my weight's on this front leg. I'm going down. I don't have to go down to the floor. Oftentimes people go down to the floor, they compensate to get that extra range of motion. I just wanna see this top of the thigh go above your waist, okay? So down, and then I'm gonna push through that box, come back up to start. Now, with the shin position, we can do one of two things. We can keep it vertical throughout, okay? The other thing is if you're comfortable and it doesn't bother you and the knee drifts forward a little bit, I'm totally cool with that as well. Just do what's comfortable for you. When in doubt, go vertical shin. If the knee drifts forward, don't sweat it, but that's how you're gonna wanna set up and execute your front foot elevated split squat.